Every time he's about to eat, he does this little dance. Hi, you're dancing, dog. You're dancing. You got it. You're almost there. You're almost there. Come on, Scooters. No, you're going backwards. Wrong way. Oh, good boy. What?
Oh, Edie! It's time to eat! Oh, yes! Your food! Oh, get your food! Get your food!
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah? Good boy.
Are you ready for your dinner? Come on. Hello? Hello?
Stew last night. Bit of carbonara tonight. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it's in here? Is this for Coco? Is this for you? This is. What's this?
That's Rory. That's Rory, boy. That's right, boy. Yours is coming. Here it comes. Here comes yours. Oh, goodness.
What do you want? Treat? Let's go. Where's the treat? Where's the treat? Lie down.
Do you want some food? Is that what's going on? Can you sit?